my gosh.
Thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, Central Gates County
Oh
in
my god.
southeastern Nebraska until 9 p.m.
Woo!
A severe thunderstorm was located near Philly, or 9 miles east of Beatrice, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crab Orchard around 8:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Sterling and Tecumseh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage and Johnson.
Oh my god. Holy crap.